Cristiano Ronaldo is known worldwide as one of the best soccer players of all time. But did you know that he's also famous for his flawless skin and amazing physique? In today's video, we'll reveal CR7's grooming secrets, including how he maintains his smooth, hairless skin and the popular wax shapes men are choosing to boost their confidence. From techniques to pain management, aftercare, common mistakes to avoid, and how grooming shapes your personal branding and confidence, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything about CR7's secret emoji. Why Brazilian waxing boosts confidence? Let's start by discussing why Brazilian waxing is becoming increasingly popular among men. Popular wax shapes for men. Now let's talk about the most popular wax shapes for men. While some may prefer to go completely hairless like Cristiano Ronaldo, others may want to retain some hair in certain areas. Here are some of the most popular wax shapes for men. The first one is the landing strip, which involves removing all the hair from the center of the front area, leaving a thin strip of hair in between. This shape is perfect for those who want to maintain some coverage while still achieving a clean look. Next, we have the triangle, which is a reverse triangle shape that's great for men who want to enhance their masculinity. This shape is created by removing all the hair from the top half of the beard area and leaving the bottom half intact. For those who want to experiment with something more adventurous, there's the inverted triangle. This shape is achieved by removing all the hair from the top half of the beard area and creating a small triangle at the bottom, giving you a unique and eye-catching look. If you prefer a more subtle approach, the clean and shape up is a great option. This shape involves removing all the hair from the sides and neck area, leaving only the hair on top. It's a classic and timeless shape that never fails to impress. And finally, we have the full Brazilian, which is the ultimate test of bravery. This shape requires removing all the hair from both the front and back, leaving you completely smooth and hairless. It's not for the faint of heart, but it can be a liberating and confidence-boosting experience. Step-by-step Brazilian waxing techniques. Now that you're familiar with the popular wax shapes, let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to perform a Brazilian wax. First, you need to gather all your supplies, including wax, wax strips, a small bowl of warm water, a clean towel, a wooden applicator stick, and after wax oil. The first step is to wash the area to be waxed with cold, soapy water and pat it dry. Apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth using the wooden applicator stick. Allow the wax to cool and harden for about 10 to 15 minutes. Place a wax strip over the hardened wax and hold it firmly in place. Pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth in one swift motion. Rinse the area with warm water and apply the after wax oil. Repeat these steps until you've covered the entire area to be waxed. Pain management tips. We understand that waxing can be painful, but there are a few things you can do to minimize discomfort. First, make sure to exfoliate the skin before waxing to remove dead skin cells and any loose hair. This will make it easier for the wax to remove all the hair in one go, reducing the chances of missed hairs. You can also try placing a warm compress on the area to be waxed for 10 to 15 minutes before the procedure. This will help open up your pores and relax your muscles, making it easier to remove the hair. Taking over-the-counter pain relievers such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen can also help reduce pain and inflammation. It's important to note that the pain threshold varies from person to person. Some people may find waxing to be relatively painless, while others may experience discomfort. However, the pain should subside quickly and the results are worth it. Skincare tips. Proper skincare is essential before and after waxing to ensure the best results and minimize the risk of skin damage. Before waxing, it's important to keep the skin clean and free of dirt, oil or lotion. This will help the wax adhere to the skin better and remove the hair more effectively. You can wash the area to be waxed with a mild soap and water and pat it dry before the procedure. After waxing, the skin may be sensitive and prone to irritation, redness, or ingrown hairs. To prevent this, you can apply a soothing lotion or oil to the area. Aloe vera gel is a great option as it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and soothe the skin. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil to moisturize the skin and prevent ingrown hairs. Aftercare for smooth, healthy skin. Aftercare is crucial for maintaining smooth, healthy skin after Brazilian waxing. The first thing you should do is to avoid bathing for 24 hours after the wax to prevent water from getting into the open pores and causing infection. You can also avoid using harsh soaps or lotions on the waxed area as they may cause irritation or allergic reactions. To prevent ingrown hairs, you should exfoliate the skin regularly by using a gentle scrub or a soft bristle brush. This will help remove dead skin cells and unclog hair follicles. You should also stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, as it will help flush toxins out of your body and promote healthy skin. In addition, you can apply a cold compress to the waxed area to reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. You can do this by applying a cold wash rag or ice pack to the area for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Finally, it's important to wear loose, comfortable clothing after a Brazilian wax, as tight clothing can cause friction and irritation on the waxed area. Natural fibers such as cotton and linen are breathable and less likely to cause irritation than synthetic fibers. By following these aftercare tips, you can ensure that your skin remains smooth, healthy, and confident after a Brazilian wax. Common mistakes to avoid. There are several mistakes that can affect the outcome of your Brazilian wax and cause discomfort or skin damage. One of the most common mistakes is not exfoliating the skin before waxing. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and any loose hair, making it easier for the wax to grip the skin and remove all the hair in one go. Another mistake to avoid is shaving the area to be waxed. Shaving can cause the hair to grow back thicker and coarser, making it more difficult to remove with wax. Additionally, it can also increase the risk of cuts and nicks, which can lead to infection. You should also avoid wearing tight clothing after a Brazilian wax, as it can cause friction and irritation on the waxed area. Instead, you should opt for loose, comfortable clothing made of natural fibers such as cotton and linen. How grooming shapes your personal branding and confidence. Grooming plays a significant role in personal branding and confidence. When you take the time to groom yourself, you present a polished and put-together appearance that can make you more attractive and memorable to others. A well-groomed man is often perceived as someone who takes pride in their appearance and values personal hygiene, which can enhance your personal brand and reputation. By investing in your grooming, you communicate to others that you are serious and pay attention to detail, which can boost your confidence and help you stand out from the crowd. Whether it's getting a Brazilian wax like CR7 or simply maintaining good personal hygiene, taking care of your appearance can have a positive impact on your personal branding and confidence. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, the CR7 emoji explained. We hope you enjoyed learning about CR7's grooming secrets and the popular wax shapes men are choosing to boost their confidence. Remember, whether you choose to go for the landing strip, triangle, inverted triangle, clean and shape up, or the full Brazilian, it's all about personal preference. The most important thing is that you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. So why wait? Take the plunge and try a Brazilian wax today. You may just surprise yourself with how much you enjoy it. And hey, if it's good enough for CR7, it's good enough for us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.